The process of measuring and installing plantation shutters. Proper measurement and installation are crucial for ensuring your custom-made plantation shutters in Toronto function seamlessly and enhance the overall look of your space. The process typically involves the following steps. 1. Measure your windows. Carefully measure the width and height of each window, ensuring you have the precise dimensions to order the perfect fit. 2. Consult with a professional. Work with a reputable shutter company or installer who can provide guidance on the best options and ensure a proper fit. 3. Installation. The installation process typically involves mounting the shutter frames to the wall and then attaching the shutter panels, ensuring a secure and seamless fit. Maintenance and care for custom-made plantation shutters. To keep your custom-made plantation shutters in Toronto looking their best and functioning optimally, it's important to follow a simple maintenance routine. This may include regular dusting and cleaning with a soft, clean cloth or feather duster. Occasional wiping down with a mild, non-abrasive cleaner. Lubricating any moving parts, such as hinges or tilt mechanisms. Checking for any loose screws or hardware and tightening as needed. By properly caring for your plantation shutters, you can ensure they continue to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home for years to come. Please like, share, and subscribe.